Hello, it is Sunday and we are starting off my college outfits of the week. I've got my first fit on. It's pretty basic because I'm just trying to be comfy. I think I'm going for like a movie charcuterie board soup night from what I can gather in someone's accommodation, which I'm really excited for. This week we're gonna be doing outfits of the week / week in my life vlog as a film student. And I'm really excited. I have my makeup done, which I haven't done my makeup in like a week, so that's kind of fun. I'm finally getting rid of my cold. Happy Sunday. I'm starting on Sunday because I know there's a couple days this week that I'm not gonna film. So we're starting a day early. This is my fit. I will be putting Converse on. Oh wait, this is my fit. I have little Zara bodysuit on. My mom's old cardigan, which I believe is also Zara knit. Francis by FB bag. Thrifted belt. Weekday jeans. I think we're watching Fleabag, which is kind of exciting. Need to get a better setup for the rest of the week. It is Tuesday. My makeup is done. And I've got little backless top bangles, my bag, and I think I will wear my Columbia jacket and my Converse. Even though I want to wear my Uggs, but the Converse are more practical for walking. I'm going to show you my outfit in the mirror. Please excuse the state of my floor when I pan down, but this is my little top. I love it. I actually wear it all the time. It's really flattering. These are my jeans. They're very long on me. I've like triple cuffed them. I'm excited though. This is going to be so fun. Hey everyone, it is Tuesday. It's my first day of college of the week because I don't have college on Mondays. So this is my first real college outfit of the week. I did my makeup today, which I don't always do for college, but just thought I would. I'm wearing this is my mom's. It's from Mint Velvet. I really like it and I'll show you why in a sec. I'm wearing my same bag because it's the one that fits my laptop, and these charity shop sunglasses. We're a little overexposed here, but that's fine. These are my charity shop sunglasses. I'm just wearing my little Susie Lola necklace. And then my outfit, sorry, I was shipping Depop orders. This is my outfit. I've got my bag here. This is Mint Velvet, and I really like it because it is too big for me, but it falls at like a really nice long length on my mini skirt, which is Brandy Melville, and my belt is thrifted. I actually got it yesterday at that vintage market I went to. Need to do a little haul later. And these boots are from Bershka. They're by Babies, and I'm wearing little woolly socks from Pennies that just kind of peek out over the top. Yeah, I kind of love my outfit today. I think it's kind of cute. I have a little black cardigan to layer over, but it honestly sits kind of weird with the cowl neck, so it's not really part of the outfit, it's just for function because it is cold and rainy outside. And I'm gonna wear my black puffer jacket. I'm probably gonna have to take these off because they look silly, but yeah. Oh, I'm gonna put on my big gold hoops as well. Maybe these ones? Yeah, I'm gonna put those on. I don't know, I just love the way the top sits so long. It's like, could be a dress almost. I think it's so cute. Hello, it is Thursday. Good morning. They're a bit of a lackluster outfit today for a reason. Everything is centered around the fact that I'm going out tonight straight from college. So I have to wear stuff that'll go with my going out outfit. So I'll explain now. I'll put the camera down, but happy Thursday. I'm wearing Brandy Melville top, thrifted belt, my thrifted 7 jeans. Bit random, but I'm gonna be wearing my fur coat and my knee-high boots under these jeans because that's what I'm wearing when I'm going out. And I don't want to carry extra unnecessary things. I'm in 9 until 6 on Thursdays. So yeah, and then I'm gonna go straight to my friend's house to get ready, so that's why I'm not wearing any makeup, because then I don't have to take any off. And that's the plan. Then we'll go to Paris, then we'll go to the club, because I basically don't have class on Fridays, which is very helpful. Yeah, that is my outfit for Thursday. I will try and get a picture of my outfit later when I'm going out. My room is so bad, I'm so sorry. I literally clean it every day and it just doesn't matter because it's so messy. I will try and get a picture of my outfit before I go out because I have it all planned. It's an outfit I've worn before to the club because I don't really believe in like repeating outfits, but also none of these people have seen it, so I don't really care. It's a cute outfit as well. Yeah, okay. Bye, happy Thursday. Hello, I don't know if that was recording, that's really great. My room's a mess, my hair's a mess. My makeup's a mess too, I don't have my normal makeup. This is my outfit of the day. I'm going bowling with my course. So I'm wearing these bracelets, earrings, my necklace is my grandma's. I don't know, where'd I get these? Pennies, probably. These are my grandma's. This is my city bag from Francis by FB. This top was my mom's. I cut the bottom off it. It's literally on my bed right now. Belt is thrifted. Jeans are Depop. Yeah. And I'm gonna wear my Converse, my platform Converse, and my camo hoodie from Urban, which I'll put into this. It's BYOB, so I have to bring a fat bag because apparently the only stuff I have at home is Prosecco. I need to get a bag this color. I don't need to, I'm just saying that. Yeah, this is my little outfit. It's actually Friday the following week because I realized I want to get a Halloween video done, so I stopped filming so I'd get that filmed, but then I still haven't filmed that. So haven't done my assignment either. Reading week is going very well. I got a job though, so that's exciting. I'm working in a coffee shop. I'm a little barista. Yeah, it's fun. I like it. Actually, I love wearing this top. I don't know if my arms look weird in it. I haven't decided. Hopefully I don't watch back this footage and hate it. Very excited. Should I be staying home and working? Probably, but I haven't gone out yet this week, so that's what we're doing. And then I'm out tomorrow. I have friends sleeping over on Friday. No, today's Friday. I have friends sleeping over on Sunday and we're gonna go out. And then I'm out on Monday. I'm going to Hamilton. So I've got a good few little outfits to film, hopefully. But yeah, this is my fit for bowling. Hello, I feel like I look terrible. The makeup is not makeuping because, well, I only put on concealer, so I kind of look not alive, but that's okay. Really boring outfit. Using my comfiest jeans out of the wash. Yeah, I might wear my Uggs though, because I feel like Uggs would go well with this. I'm wearing a different handbag at least. I'm wearing this handbag, an oldie buddy goodie. I swear I'm gonna clean my room today. Last night was, I don't know, interesting. I've changed my plans for tonight. I'm going to a Halloween party, so I will have a better outfit on later. That's why I didn't put on full face, because I know I'm gonna do a full face. Yeah, all the trains are cancelled today, which I'm really mad about. So I have to get the bus into town right now to go thrifting with my friend. But I'm excited to go thrifting because I haven't gone in ages. Wish me luck, I guess. I don't know. That's my outfit for the day. Urban, thrifted, Brandy Melville. Okay, I'm a vlogger and I forgot to tell you where my outfit's from. This is from Germany. These shorts are from Urban. Fishnets. These are from Temu. They're the only time I've ever ordered off them. I couldn't get them anywhere else. These are from Dunn's from last year. I did my little glam water makeup. Hey guys, this is my last outfit for this video. I'm going to Hamilton today. It is Monday, the week of Halloween. I had friends over last night, but so I was just wearing like pajamas, so like all day. They were with me like all day yesterday, all day today. But now I'm going to Hamilton with my boyfriend and my sister and her boyfriend. So I'm wearing this top. It's my mom's. Well, it's a cardigan. I'm just wearing it off the shoulder. I've got this little leopard bra. My hair is like not good at the minute, but anyway, my hair's like this. And then I'm wearing hoops and that. Black tights, black bubble skirt. I'm gonna wear my Isabella Marant dupes for a bit of height. Then a bit of pop color, the Guess bag, and my leopard print. Yeah, I'm really excited. I've never seen Hamilton, but I'm a big theatre kid. I've seen a lot of musicals, and I'm very much looking forward to seeing Hamilton. That is probably my last outfit for this week in my life, but it was actually 2 weeks. I don't know why this camera won't focus. I'm slightly concerned. There we go. Hello, editing me. You'll never guess who forgot to do an outro again. this day clearly my camera was like not working. I hope it's okay. I haven't checked since, but it wasn't focusing. It was very weird. That was my outfits of the week, kind of. I hope you enjoyed. I think my next video will be thrift haul of like all the stuff I thrifted that week, because like I said, I went about 3 times. I got new curtains. You can still see my old curtains behind, but when I have them rolled all the way up, it's pretty cute. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Definitely want to make more like styling videos and showing you what I'm wearing every day, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!